Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Queen Elizabeth. Guys, if you are in the crypto space or thinking of diving in, then you need a reliable, secure, and a feature packed exchange. That's where the coinw.com comes in. As you can see on my screen, a very good amazing coin w amazing project. Before we are going to start the review of my this interesting project, I want to say, if you're new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing video notifications for you guys. So let's start this amazing update with you guys, so how you can. And also, something about this amazing project, that as the Trump's name Bitcoin, either XRP and Solana, and for the strategic reserves, CoinW is upgrading the Sol Unlock celebration with the exclusive White House Reserve currency special bonus, bringing even bigger rewards for you guys. So this is a very interesting amazing W coin project. Now we're gonna show you how you can start and how you can get to be the part of this amazing platform. How you can simply firstly register yourself. You can click on the register button and you can see this interface, and you can register and your email and referral code, and then you have to just confirm and register yourself. Then when the verification is complete, you can get this interface where I am going to. So you can simply stay with me and check it out. This is a very big thing for you guys. Now this verification is successful, and now you can check their security verification. We have to put their number, so you receive the code, and when you receive this, you have to put the code and you can click the button confirm. I'm putting the code of security verification, then I confirm it. And you can guys put the password as per your wish, what you want to give the password, and then you can just simply add to 32 characters and must contain the following two letters, numbers, or special characters, and then confirm it. And after that, you can see that their stay signed. You can show that they have selecting and add the passkey, and you can check the elevate your account security, simple access, and the security verification. And then you have to put the email verification code, and you can see I am pasting my email security code, and then a code is sent to me, and then I do again verification. And you can see I have such an interface, and I have to confirm it. And then after that, you can see my verification is successful, and then I have to check out my code which is sent to me. Now I am putting my code, guys. You can see, then I confirm it to confirm this verification. And also you can see I am confirming my verification, and it's now confirmed, and I have to just make sure to pin. And now I am the part of this amazing platform. And also now we're gonna show you how you can go and step by step, and you can take this amazing verification. And also then why you get this identity verification, you go it. And after you can guys complete the KYC verification for the full access to the trading features. This is a potential step. You can do it according to your needs, but if you want to see access to all the functions, you can follow the guide to complete. Now you can see, if you are unverified, you have just only 24-hour withdrawal limits to BTC exactly, and you can deposit yourself, and also you can go trading. You don't have the option to buy crypto. And if you do the C1 basic verification, you have the withdrawal limits which have 5 BTC and the deposit option, and also you have an option of quick buy and also the trading. If you do the primary verification, you have guys withdrawal limit 10 BTC and also deposit, and also you can buy crypto, quick buy, CoinW card, P2P, and also the trading option. If you have guys advanced verification, you can get the 24 withdrawal limit, 100 BTC deposit, buy crypto, quick buy, coin card, P2P, and trade, and everything you gonna do guys after advanced verification. And now I'm gonna share you like how you can deposit the funds using the crypto, and you are ready to trade. If you do, you can go to the deposit option, and if you are clicking it, you can see you have to simply select the coin. Like what coin you have to select? You have to select simply the USDT. After selecting the coin, you have to select the address, which address you want to need the TRC20, and also you can deposit. You can copy the deposit address, and then you can deposit where you are deposit. And also there are some notices like don't deposit the asset other than the TRC20 USDT to this address, otherwise the assets will not be recovered. And the minimal deposit you have to do is 0.01 USDT, and deposits lower than the amount will not be received. So you have to minimum deposit you have to do. And also this will be credit for the your funding accounts to trade the coins. Please transfer it to the other accounts and you can get benefit from it. And also I'm sharing you now, guys, why you want to be the part of this Coin W trading opportunity, why you can be the part of this amazing platform. Because this is not just a coin, it's more than just an exchange for trading. They are your trust ally on every step of your crypto journey. Why the traders love the Coin W, I'm gonna share with you. Because they have the security first. Your funds are protected with the bank grade encryptions and multi-layer security protocols. Low fails, you can enjoy the competitive trading fees too, so you keep more of your profit. And also lightning fast transaction, no delays, no, just smooth crypto trading and diverse trading pairs from the BTC, Ethereum, and Sol to the hottest allocation trades that you want. And now you don't have require any KYC required, and 24/7 you have to got support. This team will already help you guys. Now I'm gonna share you how you can check their copy trading feature. You can see they have copy trading option. Also, you can why you do this, because you if you want to know that follow the top traders and copy their moves automatically, perfect for the beginners. If you're a beginner, you have to explore the popular traders to embarrass the investment excellently. You can check and you can get to know and you can copy and you can win the rate how. And you can check how you can perform the top tires. You can see the explore the top traders excellence in the challenging and delivering the constant performance. Long-term traders follow the long-term traders and grasp their ethicals and their values. And also you can see that they have their terms, and they have guys the delivering constant performance. And you can guys check their total copy traders, total profits, everything you can see there on this platform and on this phase. And now I'm gonna share you the advanced trading tools. Pro traders can enjoy the features like leverage trading, stop loss orders, and deep liquidity. You can see the White House meeting upgraded experience to 100x. High leverage features claim 100 USDT in the features. And now I'm gonna share you that this coin W is once again leading the industry. Follow the latest White House discussions, and we are upgrading the Soul Unlock celebration with exclusive White House reserves. Currency special bonuses bringing even bigger rewards. And enjoy the guys. Simply register now and receive the $100 features trading opportunity effortlessly. Tap onto the market potential and claim your exclusive future bonus today. The event duration is, guys, 3rd March till the 18th March 2025. And they even detail new users get the $100 feature super bonus. And also during this event, the newly registered user will receive the 100 USDT bonus with a 5x leverage, allowing you to acquire the contract position in the 6 major trading pairs at the zero cost. So their daily limits, which is 1,000 rewards, first come and first served, and claim your exclusive future bonus right now. So register yourself here and you can check out their terms and conditions. So why you have to, how you can participate in this event, so what you need and everything is available. So you can read the terms and condition. And also you can see they have the everything like their CoinW official website, how you can check their global tutors, Telegram, TikTok, everything, the app, how you can download their every link of the description is available on this page. So you have to go and grab this opportunity, and this be the very very exclusive amazing platform for you guys. Here, the last one I want to say that if you want a safe, fast, profitable crypto trading experience, coinw.com is the way where you go, guys, and get the benefits and go that amazing opportunity. Sign up today using the link in the description and start your crypto journey with Coin W. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for my more crypto updates like this interesting, amazing Coin W market crypto projects. Be the part and share with your friends and family so that they get benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.